Hello, hi to everyone. I welcome you all to my channel Mantra, Daily Mantras for Everyone. Today I am here with Kathavarayan Gayatri Mantra. It's a powerful innovation that resonates deeply with spiritual seekers. This mantra is dedicated to Lord Kathavarayan, a revered deity in Hindu tradition, symbolizing strength and protection. Decreting this Gayatri Mantra can uplift your spirit and bring clarity to your mind. It is believed to enhance focus, promote inner peace, and ward off negativity. The sound vibration of this mantra creates a scared atmosphere, allowing for deeper meditation and connection to the divine. Many have experienced profound transformation through this regular practice of this mantra, finding strength in challenging times and clarity in the moment of doubt. As you chant this mantra, visualize the energy flow through you. Let's start.
ॐ वीरपुरुषाय विद्महे सोरघ्नाय धीमहि तन्नो राजः प्रचोदयात् ॐ वीरपुरुषाय विद्महे सोरघ्नाय धीमहि तन्नो राजः प्रचोदयात् ॐ वीरपुरुषाय विद्महे सोरघ्नाय धीमहि तन्नो राजः प्रचोदयात्.
If you have liked this video, please do subscribe and turn on the notification